Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Satoshivm coin. Now this coin just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings starting today, January 19th. We're going to go over the Savm coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, they have a max total supply of 10,483,707 tokens. They have over 10,000 holders already, 10,089 holders right now, 18 decimal places on this token. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 19th at 10 o'clock UTC time. Satoshivm will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SAVM, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Satoshivm is a decentralized Bitcoin L2 rollup layer 2 solution compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine ecosystem using native BTC Bitcoin as gas. Satoshivm bridges the EVM ecosystem with Bitcoin, so that's why, VM, EVM, and then Satoshi, which is fractions of Bitcoin. So both of them combined, we got Satoshivm. So it's enabling Bitcoin ecosystem to issue assets and develop applications. So Satoshivm processes the following technological features. Number one, they have the ZK EVM. So Satoshivm is a versatile ZK rollup that employs EVM for off-chain computations. This implies that users can interact with Satoshivm in a manner similar to interacting with Ethereum, and developers can build on top of Satoshivm just as they would on Ethereum. Number two, the ZK rollup. So Satoshivm utilizes rollup technology to bundle multiple transactions into a single batch and validate them on the Bitcoin main network as a single transaction. This ensures the same level of security as the Bitcoin main network, guaranteeing data validity and availability. Number three, they have ZK fraud proofs. So Satoshivm utilizes technologies such as Taproot and Bitcoin Script to perform on-chain verification of contracts without altering the consensus rules of the Bitcoin network, thereby accomplishing the computation of fraud proofs. Also, data availability. So Satoshivm must realize transaction data on the Bitcoin main network, enabling anyone to verify the correctness of computations executed off the Bitcoin main network. And Bitcoin native gas. So Satoshivm employs native BTC as gas for the EVM, similar to ETH op rollup, ZK rollup layer 2 solutions that use ETH as gas for layer 2. Satoshivm utilizes Bitcoin as gas for EVM transactions. So the architecture here, it says they have the settlement layer. So this layer provides data availability, ordering, and validation of proofs for the Satoshivm chain. It allows users and dApps to send messages and assets between Bitcoin and Satoshivm. Bitcoin serves as the settlement layer and bridges the roll-up scripts. They're deployed on the Bitcoin network. So they also have the sequencing layer. So this layer consists of an execution node responsible for executing transactions submitted to the Satoshivm sequencer, and transactions submitted to the layer 1 bridge script generating L2 blocks. It also includes a roll-up node that handles batched transactions, publishes transaction data and block information to Bitcoin to ensure data availability, and submits validity proofs to Bitcoin for finality. And they also have the approving layer. So this layer comprises a coordinator which assigns proof tasks to provers and relays the generated proofs to the rollup node to complete finality verification on Bitcoin. It also includes the prover pool responsible for generating validity proofs that verify the correctness of L2 transactions. They also have the rollup protocol. So this crucial concept that makes Satoshi VM possible is ZK rollup. And they basically go over the block storage on that, ZK rollups, so block generation, block execution, asset bridging between different layers, assets moving from Bitcoin to Satoshi VM mainnet. You can learn all about that on their document section if you want to check it out. Docs.satoshivm.io. You can find it on their webpage, satoshivm.io. You can also follow their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here. You can see they have a ton of Twitter followers, 115,400 Twitter followers, and brand new project also that just joined Twitter in December 2023. Blue verified checkmark, only 20 tweets so far. But yeah, they just got a whole bunch of brand new listing announcements. They have a staking program you can check out. That's in one of their most recent tweets here. They're partners with, let's see here, Multibit, and you can stake the MUBI token to earn SAVM, so you can check all that out. But yeah, a whole bunch of new listing announcements today, too many to go over basically. You can also follow their Discord, so you can find that on their webpage as well. Join the conversation over there. Now, if you need user guides to use the platform, that's all in their document section as well, like how to set up a wallet, all that type of stuff. Now, token information. It says here that, yeah, we pretty much went over all this. This is on the Etherscan already, but distribution we didn't go over. So 36.5% of the tokens go to the ecosystem, 30% goes to liquidity, 15% contributors, 15% bootstrapping, 2% Bounce Finance IDO, 1% Ape Terminal IDO, and 0.4% goes to the MUBI farming pool that I just mentioned. And they also have another farming pool. 0.1% of the tokens go to the BSSB farming pool. I did a video, I believe, on BSSB. You could check that out as well. And I think I have a MUBI video as well on Multibit. So check both those out. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about the Satoshi VM token down there in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed today. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.